I always knew from a young age I wanted to work outdoors, and I think now being on a farm, being surrounded by these mountains, it's most certainly something I treasure, and it's very important to me. We're very fortunate to have 3 boys who keep us very busy at the moment, but I look forward to having them helping me or working with me on the farm at some stage. When I think of my wife Olivia and how much she supported me in my career, I really feel she gave up so much of her career so that I could follow my dream of starting a farm. And I think thinking about family, our staff on our farm live with us on the farm, and they do become part of our family and part of our daily lives. So I'm incredibly grateful for our staff and everyone we work with on the farms. When I think back on Zuluflora and the beginnings of Zuluflora, I think one of the things that really stood out to me was unity. I realized that farming on my own was exactly what it is. And then I just realized that if I could get together with some very like-minded growers with the same kind of vision, that unity is incredible strength. And it's most certainly proven that over the last 3-4 years we've all been together. As a farmer, your whole 12 months, whole season's worth of work is summed up in those 5 or 10 seconds when someone opens your box and has a look at what you produce. So quality is absolutely critical. As a grower, it's your pride, it's your showcase. That moment that someone looks at your flowers or puts them in a vase at home. So quality is incredibly important to us. When I think about South Africa and my hope for the country, I think, it's all about the people, it's all about South Africans. And I think if we can get out there and share a bit more and respect each other more, I think we're all still in our own little bubbles to an extent. And if we can break out of that, I think we can show how much we can share with others and how much they can share with us and what difference we can make. So I've got huge hope for South Africa. To any young South African who's got a heart or a passion for South Africa, I think I want to tell you to stick it out, but at the same time, look at what's troubling you. We are going through so much in this country, and there are a lot of things that trouble us, but where can you get involved and make a difference? If you come in with that mindset, I really believe that we can change circumstances and various scenarios and just make this amazing country for yourself and for all of us. My name is Neil, I'm a Zuluflora grower, and this is my farm.